All right, team, structural integrity is compromised. Mark the perimeter now. We need those stabilization reports before we move in.
Keep swinging those hammers. We need this section clear for the excavator. Watch out for falling beams.
Okay, pull that truck out, bring the next one in. Let's clear this dirt. Make sure that corner is level before it sets. All right, leveling it now.
We need more wire ties on this section now. Hurry up, the concrete truck is almost here.
That section looks good. Keep the alignment straight on that corner. All right, we'll finish this course shortly.
This section here needs a little more consistency. Watch your alignment on the corners.
This section needs reinforcement before we go higher. I'll grab the extra braces now.
Hold it right there. It needs to shift slightly to the left. Got it, got it. Moving it now. Hold it steady right there. There. It's in position. Yeah. Nail it down.
Keep moving up the line, and we need this section done before the light fades.
We need to adjust the shim on the bottom, right? It's slightly off. Okay, adjusting the shim now.
Make sure that this door swings freely, gentlemen, and check the alignment on this side before you secure it. Ensure these wires are secured every 4 feet, gentlemen. NEC compliance is critical.
No.
Understood. We're running the loom now.
A, secure that joint. C, slowly bring up the pressure on the manifold. We need to check for leaks. Ensure the application rate stays consistent across this section. The finish needs to be perfectly smooth before we prime it.
All right, push it tight to the mark. Let me check that overhang. Looks good here. Clearance is fine. Yeah. Okay, set it down easy. The laser shows a slight variance on this row. Adjust the spacing here. Yeah. All right, I'll fix that section now.
Watch the alignment on that upper beam, Dave. It needs to be flush.
All right, flipping the main breaker now. Yeah. Power's up on this end. Looks good. It's good. Panel checks out. Nice work.
Everything is up to standard. Excellent work, team. The cabin looks beautiful.
Excellent work on these hostas. Let's place the next group of shrubs right along this edge here. All right, team, the cabin looks excellent. Ready for handover. Another successful project completed. You two did excellent work on the finishing.
Thanks, boss. Looks incredible.
Hello there. It's getting late. Are you two doing okay out here? Come on in, watch your step.
Thank you. He's excited to see it. According to the plans here, we are on schedule for the woodwork.
Good, let's finalize the stone estimates then.
Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. You're such a good boy.
All right, the next row starts here. Make sure the alignment matches the schematic.
Make sure the flashing on the west side is secured properly before the next layer goes down.
Comparing section B7 against the installation. Glass type matches specifications. Seal integrity looks good.
The fittings here match the schematic. Material spec is correct. We are clear to close this section. Okay, this breaker matches the diagram here. Now checking the load balance on phase 2. Tape confirms 35.5 feet. Looks good. Making a note on section A. Here are the keys to your new home.
Good morning. The work is nearly complete.
How could this happen?
Here are the keys to the main lodge.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. It's perfect.
Congratulations, it turned out great.
Thank you so much. I love it.
May help come to you when you need it. Like and subscribe to support this kind team.